How to use Phantom Wallet beginner's tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at the Phantom Wallet and how to get started with the Phantom Wallet. So let's get into it. Now, before we get started, you might be wondering, why do I need a separate crypto wallet? I already have a wallet on my marketplace. So if we head on over to Binance over here, you can see you have this wallet over here, and you might be thinking, hey, I have this wallet. I really don't need another crypto wallet. There is a reason why you do actually need this crypto wallet, why you need a separate crypto wallet like Phantom, MetaMask, Coinbase, whatever crypto wallet that you choose. Now, the reason that you need a separate crypto wallet is because a Binance crypto wallet is not directly a wallet that is going to serve you as like a bank account. This is just a wallet that is under the surveillance, or basically like Binance is holding your money for you for a period of time, and you're going to not be able to secure your funds in a very secure fashion. So you're not actually going to have all control over the funds that you have in your account unless you transfer them to your actual crypto wallet. So to better be able to secure your funds, you actually do need a separate crypto wallet like a Phantom wallet. So that is why it's necessary to create your own crypto wallet. Now, Phantom is a crypto wallet provider that makes it safe and easy for you to keep your cryptocurrencies, to swap, receive, buy, and send tokens, as well as collect NFTs on the Solana blockchain. So that is the major difference between Phantom and MetaMask. MetaMask is the #1 most popular wallet on the App Store currently, and MetaMask basically is a Ethereum-based wallet. So MetaMask uses the Ethereum blockchain, while Phantom uses the Solana blockchain. So depending on what kind of NFTs, what tokens you're holding, and what are some of your DeFi protocols, what blockchain that most of your tokens are on, you might want to opt for the wallet of your choice. So going on ahead, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into phantom.app, and then you're going to click on download over here on the top right of your screen. So you can download it for your iOS or Android devices, or you can scroll down and download it for your web browser as well. So it is available for Chrome, Brave, Firefox, and Edge. So we're going to click on the Chrome version over here, and this will lead you to the Chrome web store. So from your Chrome web store, you're just going to click on add to Chrome over here, click on add extension, and the Phantom app extension is now downloading. Once the extension is downloading, you can go on ahead and pin it over here. Now, after that, Phantom is going to ask you two questions. A question whether or not you already have a wallet, or if you're creating a new wallet. We are going to be creating a new wallet over here, so you can click on create a new wallet. Then you're going to use a simple password to unlock your wallet. So once you have entered a password, they're going to go on ahead and give you a recovery phrase. So this is going to be your recovery phrase, and it is recommended that you go on ahead and save this recovery phrase. You can download this, you can copy it, you can save it as it is. So you can click on save as, and then you can just save your crypto wallet over here. And now you're going to go on ahead and click on I saved my secret wallet recovery phrase, and then you're going to go on ahead and continue over here, and then you're going to be all done. So you're going to click on finish over here. And once you have finished, your wallet will be created. So you can see over here now on the top right of my screen, you have the puzzle button. And on the puzzle button, you're just going to pin your Phantom wallet. Just click on the pin. When it's blue, it means that it has been pinned to your screen. And now you can see the wallet has been created. So currently we just created this wallet. This is wallet 1. And this address that you see over here, this is the actual address of your wallet, the wallet address that you're going to input whenever you are going to be transferring funds into your account. Then this is going to show your balance, the overall change in balance. Then you have your overall Solana. Solana is their native currency, so they promote that. And then they also have your managed token list, so you can click on over here and add more tokens. So add a specific token that you want to keep in front of you, so you can manage the balance you have in that token. Then you can see over here on your bottom, you have multiple different items. And the first is your crypto. The second is going to be your collectibles, which can also be referred to as NFTs. So your NFTs that you buy on the blockchain is kind of going to be over here. Then next up, you have your swapping section. So over here, you can trade your cryptocurrency. You can swap a certain token for a different token. So let's say that you hold So you're going to search for whatever token that you might have. Currently, this wallet is empty, so it doesn't have any tokens, but you're just going to choose any of the currencies of your choice, and then you can go on ahead and trade those like so. So you can just go on ahead and pick out any currency that you want, and you can trade your token. So this will enable you to have a exchange, or be able to exchange tokens on your actual crypto wallet instead of going on ahead and using a separate platform. So just like that, you can go on ahead and open your wallet on any tab that you have. You don't even have to open up a specific tab, and you can trade your crypto tokens as well as monitor all your recent activity. Then you have your basic settings. So you have your display languages, your address books, and what you can do is you can click on your address books and add a secure wallet. For example, if you have any other crypto wallet that you use, you can add that over here, and this would be saved in your address books. And when a item is saved in your address books, it's going to keep secure transactions happening even if you lock your wallet. Then you also have trusted apps. You can configure your privacy settings via here, as well as change network. So currently we're on the Solana mainnet. You can also go on ahead and change your network. Usually I would not recommend this for beginners. It's totally preferential. Then you have preferred explorer, your security and privacy, and network settings, as well as private keys, recovery phrase, and reset recovery phrase if you ever forget your recovery phrase. Now, one thing that is very important is to make sure that whatever your recovery phrase is, you have it downloaded or you have a copy of your recovery phrase, because it's super essential. If your wallet is ever going to be endangered and you lock it, the only way to access your wallet is going to be via your recovery phrase. So that is why it is so essential to make sure that you have the account information for your recovery phrase. Now, you can also click on deposit over here to buy or transfer. Now, you can use Coinbase Pay, MoonPay, FTX Pay, and as well as your QR code, so you can just view your wallet address and transfer your crypto tokens from one wallet to another by just scanning this code over here. And you can also go ahead and buy directly from a exchange like Coinbase, MoonPay, or FTX Pay directly, and then you can just put it in your wallet over here. Now, after that, you can also search for a specific token that you want to buy, and then you can go onto the marketplace to buy that token. Now, if you close this over here, you can also click on send to send any token that you have present directly into another Phantom wallet or into another person's account. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with the Phantom wallet. It is not difficult whatsoever, and they have a very safe, secure system, and they make sure that they are independently audited. And also you can report any bugs. You have your privacy, as well as they never access your private keys or funds. So this is a very secure way to store and manage your cryptocurrency. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below. I would love to help you guys out, and make sure to leave a like and check out our other videos on other crypto wallets, cryptocurrencies, how to get started on Binance, and a bunch more stuff. So that was it for today, and I will catch you guys in the next video.